Computers essentially are some kind of complex electronic devices which are used by modern society. In computer science, the computers are combination of various building blocks. We have some electronic hardware like CPU, motherboard, memory, storage devices, and other things which are put together to create a functional machine, which can perform some calculations and some logical operations. This is called as a computer. The modern computers operate on bits or binary system. These binary number systems used because the logical representation of 0 and 1 also represents on and off. To program the binary operated systems, we have to provide instructions using zeros and ones, which is not convenient at all. To overcome this problem, some instructions were developed, which are called as assembly level language, which could be written in hexadecimals as machine code. The current method of programming computer involves compiler which converts human readable code into machine code for machine to execute. Let's see an example of C programming language. When you write a code in C while following some syntax, in order to execute that code, you have to compile that code for machine to understand. When the code gets compiled, the compiled binary output is executed by the computer's processor. The Python in this case is a programming language which uses interpreter instead of directly using compiler. The Python compiler converts the Python source code into an intermediate code called as bytecode. The bytecode is then executed by PVM or Python virtual machine, which interprets the bytecode and runs it as machine code. This allows Python to be a better scripting language also. Thanks everyone. I will see you in the next lecture.